Guess the vehicle. Yes, it's a dump truck. Great! A dump truck. And now, what is it? Right, it's a concrete mixer. Very good. A concrete mixer. Guess the vehicle. You guessed it, it's an excavator. Wonderful. An excavator. And now, what is it? Right, it's a garbage truck. Good job. A garbage truck. Guess the vehicle. Yes, it's a bulldozer. Right. A bulldozer. And now, what is it? Right, the drilling machine. Good job. A drilling machine. Guess the vehicle. You guessed it, it's a truck crane. Wonderful. A truck crane. And now, what is it? Right, this is a front loader. Very good. A front loader. Guess the vehicle. You guessed it, it's a grader. Wonderful. A grader. And now, what is it? Right, it's a road roller. Good job. A road roller. And now, what is it? That's right, it's a forklift. Very good. A forklift. Guess the vehicle. Yes, it's a hydraulic hammer. Right. A hydraulic hammer. And now, what is it? You guessed it, this is a backhoe loader. Wonderful. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBeam channel. Bye bye.